Now API data was also coming. When we click here, it was going here, right? This data, API data, when you click on go to car list, it should come to the store and it should display here. When we click on go to store, it should display there. So come to your API data dot, come to the file called myAction file. Under the myAction file, you have to write a function called export const manage car. Inside manage car function, inside the manage car function, you will be getting call car list. Car list function will come from there. Here we have to do something like this. Info variable will be there. We can add here called add car, and variable called car list. Inside you assign the car list. Variable called car list. Inside that you assign the car list and return as a info. Okay. 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 Wait for some time, I will call you. My class is running on after that. I will call you in some time. Okay, so hope we have written this. When we click on button, manage car function will come. Manage car function will have a type called add car, and it had a data under the car list. It has the data under the car list. Now after that, you can write a alert here. Keep the alert here. Data called car list sent to store. Car list sent to store. Car list sent to store. Okay. Car list sent to store. Now come down to your api.js file. We have to call this function. Which function? Manage car. So till here, no any error. Function is written. Come to the api.js file. In api.js file, now you are supposed to import. Okay. Import in the beginning. Import call. What is the function we created just now? Save car or add car? Manage car. Import manage car. Import manage car from action of myaction.js. Action of myaction.js. Okay. Import manage car from action of myaction. Next, after that, after importing this button, you have to import one more import, that is called use dispatch. Use dispatch. Use dispatch from where? React Redux. Use dispatch from React Redux. Okay, dispatch called. Now create an object of that dispatch. You can go here and at this place create a const dispatch dispatch equal to use dispatch. Use dispatch. Now on button click, manage car function we have to dispatch to reducer. Okay, we have to dispatch to reducer. Now how that will work? Now let's come there, and functionality is like this. On button click, car is coming here. On button click, green button click, all the car will go to the Redux. So here you have the second button, send a car list to where? Redux store. So for that, let's come at this place, write here a button, on click equal to use dispatch, you can call dispatch. Under the dispatch, you have to dispatch the manage car, and under the manage car, you require to send the list of car. Under the manage car, you have to send the list of all car. That is called car list. CARLIST. Car list. So once you click on the button, once you click on second button, first button will bring the data from the backend and display inside the page. Second button will click, data will go to the store. Data will go to the store. Run the page, click on button click, any alert message coming or not. Button click, alert message should come. Button click, alert message should come. Button click. First button click, data will come. Second button click, alert will come. Second button click will say car list sent to a store. When we click here, it will say car list sent to a store. Button click check. Car list showing sent to a store. Error or no error? For you, error. Show me your system. What you wrote in the action file? Get car is not coming. You have internet. Okay. Next, after that, we have to go to the reducer file. API reducer.js file you can open. In reducer, go to the API reducer.js file. In API reducer.js file, you have to write a action. You have to write a action if action.type double equal to add car, then what will happen is under the car list, under the data list, you have to assign action.car list. Just assign here action.car list. Data list is the empty array. Once you click on button, alert will come and all the content of car will assign to data list. Action.car list. Action.car list. I will verify once under the my action file. Yeah, car list only we have sent. Add car, and then car list. Add this line. So add this one line. After that, we can see our data is passing to the Redux or not. Okay, next after this, come to the, so hope written till here. When you click on When you go to weather component, come back, API data will be lost from here. Click on get car, list will come, send to car list, a message will come, car list is sent to a store. Once we go to the all store data, we should be able to see the list of cars. Getting alert? Okay. Then under the no or yes. You got alert after clicking on save button. Yes. Now we have under the API reducer, we have written this line action.type equal to add car, then car list we have to send to where? Data list. Okay. Now we have to come to the all data.js file. In all data.js file, your user comes here, book comes here. Similar way in the last car also should come. So come to the all data.js file, and what is this array name? API list. See, the component function reducer name is called API list. API list. So I'll go to the all data.js file. In all data.js file, you have to write here a const car list equal to use selector. Inside the use selector, you will call the state Python method state dot API list. State dot API list. So this is going to give the list of car that come from the API and store under the backend. Okay, hope ready. Come down in the last, at the end of the row. At the end of the row, right? At the end of the row, you can go to your API file. In API file, you have created the table. In API file, we have a table, no car list. So this car list table to table you can copy and paste there. Table to table you copy, including paragraph you can copy, it will give the length. Copy from which file? API.js, and we have to paste into the all data.js as we have done. Copied. Go to the all data.js file, and after ending the last table, you paste here again. And what is your variable name? Remember which variable we have called on the top. Manage car or something else? No, check again. In all data.js file I'm talking, it is called car list. Variable name is called car list. Okay, so here anyhow we are printing the car list dot length, so it should work here also. Let me keep call h3 open and h3 call close. S3 open, S3 close. Inside table you have followed. whichever the cars are stored there, that should come here. It says API data is 0 as of now. No problem. Check first. Table you copy paste from there. From the api.js file, table to table you copy and paste here. And see the variable, compare all. Okay. Then after that, we'll go here to the user file, API file, and click on get car. Get car appear here. Click on send car to Redux. We send from here. If you go to the all data.js file, this car list should be there. In all data.js file, something wrong. Car list is not coming here. Anyone is getting the car list? It's called API list is the function name. Here from API we have sent API reducer. In API reducer, data list was okay. Data list is also fine. Action dot car list. Action dot type that we're going to add, then data list dot. Okay, no problem. We can see that I have many example. Let me verify once. Maybe something will be wrong in that. No problem. This file was my last example was 9:30. This has a Redux. Redux. Okay. Then some other folder, my Redux. Videos are there. One SRC. API reducer, how I have managed here. Maybe minor mistake will be there, not big. Okay, concat function is called. Okay, will it work? Try here concat function. But concat function, how it will work here? Data list dot concat. Inside that, action dot car list. Action dot car list. Data list dot concat action dot car list. Okay. Try once if it is worked. Car list is coming. This is a 0. That means somewhere under the API file, manage car, dispatch is okay. Okay, no problem. API reducer, I will get length here. Reducer is okay here. Action file. Okay. Action file, what is the returning? Return info. Car list is okay. What is here? Car list dot length. Is that coming? car list dot length. API data coming with here 23 is there, so it is passing from here. It is passing from here 23. That the return info is okay. Next API reducer, we'll see here the length we are able to receive or not. It should not be. It should be just only assignment operator. Just only assign we have to do. Let me keep an alert here again. Action.carList sctin dot carList dot length. What is coming here? Okay, action.carList dot length. Reload is required. Car list is coming. 23 is okay. See, it comes here. So everything is fine only. Just do these changes. What changes? No other changes. This code was well. Here we have the same data file. Also have not done anything. API list, car list. Here also action file. Alert was there. Remove the alert. Alert was there. No. Here written the alert in action file. See, in API reducer, this is the line. Okay. Data list dot action dot car list. Keep that line same. My action file. Alert was there. Remove the alert. Okay. Alert we have removed. Remove the alert from here. After removing the alert, remove the alert from the function, from the manage car. This function I will share in your chat. This function I sent in your chat. After that, you will come to which file? API reducer. Everything is same. Just one line we have added. This you can add under the API reducer file. Under the API reducer file. And then go to the all data.js, call here the car list from the API list. And check now below list is happening or not. Car list.length remaining as usual. API. Here if I click, car list will appear. Send to a store, then go to the all store. Here all the car lists should appear. Yes, now you can reply quickly. Alert was making the problem. You can remove the alert.
Sir, not working.
I have shared the code, you replace it.
Yes, sir. Replaced.
Do some research, why not working? Apply alert here, there, see.
Sir, so all data dot file.
Source folder, come to your chat. What we have to add under the API reducer.js file, we need to add this much. And under the API.js file, we need to click on button, call the manage car, then here dispatch you have to call, then manage car you need to call, dispatch you need to call.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me, sir. Show me your system. Not working. I'll guide it quickly. I've shared the SRC folder. It's not working. Please replace that. Call the dispatch and I'll go to the reducer file. API reducer. You can add there. There only before that line. Now there. I'm asking after this line. Inside this if condition. Yeah, alert. Caption.carlist.length. See variable is DTILS details. Okay. Wait, why you kept in double quote? Don't understand that line. Variable you are putting double. Same now. Go there, refresh the page first. Click on
Sir,
length alert is not coming. I've shared the SRC folder. Please replace that.
sir, 1 second, please, sir. Automatically, net Wi-Fi is not connected to laptop. Something is forward.
And you again.
Yes, sir. I need, sir. Network issues.
Go to your page. On button click, have you called anything? Show me, very good. All car. API.js file. Very important button click. On click equal to dispatch, manage car list. Button you clicked. Are you calling on the top dispatch and all? Go up. Okay, come to that reducer file. action file. What here written here? Manage car, you are sending delete user. That is called add car. Add car. Check now. Refresh the page again. Click on car list. Go to the all data. Okay, so see now, final flow I'll show you. Suppose I refresh my page completely. All the data is lost. Now go to the book file. In book file, I will add here call Java save Python save notebooks save. So 3 books I added here. I will go to user. I will add here tags, education BCA. Save it. I will add one more call. Rajkumar is 50 years. Education is BCA. Save. So how many user? 2 users. If I go to my book page, data will be there only. If I come to user page, data will be there only. Data is not getting lost. That is the feature of Redux. If people ask what is the Redux, why we use that, you can explain them. In the normal React, when I fill the data and go to other component without API, if I come back, I will lose the data. But in Redux, data will not lose. It will store under the store. So any component you can go and come back, your data will be there only. API, what is that? We take the data from API and this data came from the API now. This data now, if you want to access in multiple pages, send this data to a store. This data will go to the store now. Go to your other page. You can find user is also here, book is also here, and car list is also here. Correct? This is called what again? Redux. Without Redux, you will lose the data. You cannot access here car list. You have to call the API here. You cannot access the book list here. You cannot access the user list here. Okay. So hope this work for everyone. Next, after that, you will not log in tomorrow. You will log in directly on Saturday evening, morning.